Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. It's June 12th here in Chicago, Illinois. It's Greg R. Baird of Gregor Speaks, gregorbaird.com. It's been a busy day. It's later in the afternoon. I usually try to record these a little bit earlier and get them out. But it is the 8-year memorial of the Pulse Nightclub shooting today. And so I got interviewed by a national TV show, should be on, or something of the sort. I don't know when, but I'll let you know today. And I had 2 lectures, was able to get out today, and you're going to see this little video. I went with my friend Pancho to the Graceland Cemetery, and every year I place pride flags on the graves of several gay men that passed away, either single or couple, that a lot of people just have forgotten about. Little history I did not too long ago, and I researched on them. So I tried to do that, go by and say hello to them, and just kind of do my part as a memorial. So you'll see that as I'm speaking. So that's what I did today. I got another program tonight. My day is not ending until 9 o'clock, folks.
Wow.
I love what I do. Still have slots open this month. If you need a Pride speaker for LGBTQ plus History Month, I'm the guy to see. My information's right here. Of course, you can get a hold of me. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out all the things that are going on in memory of the Pulse Nightclub shooting. They're going on tonight in Orlando and all over the country. I will see you soon. Thanks so much, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.